Welcome back, Island family.
Wagwan, wagwan.
This is the Island family tribe.
Yesterday.
Anyways, guys, so the reason why we're traveling here today to Sydney is because we are going to a Latin festival. It started at midday. It's already 3:30, so yeah, we're about 3 hours behind. But yeah, it was a long drive up this way. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out, you know, get to see my culture and, like, you know, what we do and what we sell, like food and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, anyways, yeah, join us, guys.
Yeah, man.
And also, you know, we've got a half caste kid here that's half Argentinian, so
Half Jamaican.
and half Jamaican, of course, for all those that don't know. And yeah, we're just gonna go check it out.
Yeah, man. So there might be lots of Spanish in this video, so who knows?
Yeah, you never know, we might meet a Jamaican or someone out there too.
Yeah, so
All right, let's go. Stick around. Let's go now.
we're on a roll.
We're on a roll.
Bye.
Ground floor. Nope.
Oh,
We're still not the island. This way.
come.
We're still not there. Oh, press ground floor. What's going on? Or maybe it's one. First floor. Nope.
No.
that's not it either. So what brings us to the car parking? Are you serious? Underground floor. Oh, this must be it.
No, we already pressed this one.
Oh shoot, you serious? Does it lead us there?
Maybe. Let's go. Yeah. Oh.
This looks different. Maybe
No. Did we get the wrong lift?
it's the same lift we took. Unless I'm wrong, but what? Let's go back. Oh my god. Guys, we're getting lost.
Oh.
Could this be it? Oh, let's go. We're lost. This is a fun, eh? Oh my god. So this is how we're looking. Yeah.
Maybe it's this one.
Let's try. We're trying out every floor now, it seems. Your boy. Nope. Where is this thing taking us? Island, come. We can't even get out of this hotel. Oh no. What is going on here?
I'm so
We lost.
lost.
Hello, we can't reach the parking.
I'm gonna ask the lady, just hold the lift.
Yeah. Wait, Island. Oh my god. Oh, beautiful. Alright, so quick update, guys. We try to use the phone.
How do we get to the car park?
Car park in the receptionist.
No, we came on the lift through the car park.
Car park.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where the car is, where our car parks.
Car park. Sorry.
That's
My
alright.
English is not really
Oh,
good.
that's
That's
alright.
alright.
That's okay.
Car.
Where are you from?
Indonesia.
Oh, lovely, nice. Is it hot in Indonesia?
Yeah.
Tropical, yeah.
Tropical.
Tropical. Car park. You a car?
Yeah, where we parked our car.
Oh.
Do you know what
yeah.
level? What level?
I'm so sorry because I'm new
New.
here.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah,
I have to ask my friend.
Okay, that's okay. Maybe the sign there. Maybe what does the sign say? You go down. Yeah. Oh, it's PP.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, because we went
Oh.
on that one. It doesn't say PP.
Oh, is it?
It just says underground and ground.
So
Maybe just one.
Yeah, this one. G.
G? We went to G.
G, and you have to out from the building.
Oh,
and
really?
Right, in the side right.
okay. Alright, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Yeah,
Thank
have a
you.
good day.
You too,
You
bye.
too. Wow. She was helpful though. Even though she don't speak English.
See my face on one.
No, touch that.
I
can't
guess
believe
she
this.
was trying to be helpful, but this
Yeah.
isn't the way we came.
Yeah.
It's confusing.
I can't believe we actually lasted out till this is funny.
Okay, so we're in ground.
We're in ground, okay. Oh, so this is where you were at.
Paying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Island, come.
Come.
So this probably leads us there. Careful, Island.
Go. You're so cute, Bobo. You look so cute in that clothes.
Is this the stairs or something?
Stairs.
Ah.
Oh my gosh, guys. we're so
Look at
lost.
this. Stairs to car park.
Outside.
Exactly. Who would have thought? Who would have thought this is the way?
Alright, darling.
Ice stairs, you're scared. Oh. Gucci.
Take your time, sweetheart. I love you.
Whoa, I've never seen him actually get scared of a stair. That's something
See
new.
what I mean? And that actually takes you to. I don't get it.
Wow.
No, you
That's
got
another stairs down there. It's
See?
just like a maze.
That's it.
That's the lift
Came
that.
through here, guys.
Yeah, that's the lift that we came through.
Oh my god.
This is one crazy adventure already. Found our car. Found it.
Dusty car. Are you guys getting through there?
Maybe.
Okay, it says please pay for some of the white painted line. Okay. Where's the white painted line? Do you see a white painted line? Oh my god, guys, this is
What
just...
is this?
What is this?
Not even the gate to open for us. What kind of puzzle is this? Where's the white painted line? We're getting trapped in our own hotel.
What the heck is going on? This is like a bloody... Where's the white painted line? Okay, there.
You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. We stop here, so what next? We do right to go on here, so.
Are we so tired, guys? We want to get out. And we can't even get out in our own... What the heck is going on?
What kind of... This is some kind of puzzle today. What's this thing right here?
Yeah, it says press if you need assistance, and we
Oh.
do. Thank you.
Finally it opened. Why if we never get assistant you would not feel it?
What the heck?
Are you serious? This is adventure,
You
yeah.
can see us in the camera, like literally.
The amount of time we waste already just by last.
Just lost.
Last and can't come out.
Oh my god.
What an adventure.
For real.
We're outside now. Let's hope no more obstacle.
Yeah, I know. Tomorrow we should catch a train. We should have caught a train into Fairfield, but anyway.
Just don't have the time right, you know.
Yeah, no, I don't feel like walking either. I'm a bit
Yeah.
tired, so we'll just use the car. Those kids half cars, look.
Oh, the mix.
Yeah, mixed baby.
City of Sydney.
So guys, it's been an adventure already.
Yeah, man.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold outside, brilliant.
I don't think we need my sunnies now.
Yeah, it's quite City Newcastle that way.
Yeah, guys, it's been an adventure already.
Yeah.
We're tired, but we drove all this way to check out this festival.
Yeah, so we can't make it miss.
So yeah, we can't make it not happen, you know.
Yeah, make use of it.
Okay, so now I'm definitely gonna go onto the
Toll?
300 meters. No, turn here.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, I went the wrong way, but that's okay. We're gonna have to just go with the flow.
Sydney Harbour Bridge.
This is Sydney Harbour Bridge.
Famous.
The famous Sydney Harbour Bridge, guys.
Big.
Wow, look.
What? The bus?
Double decker bus.
Oh, wow, get mad view.
Wow, Bobby.
So we just went through toll.
And I didn't really want to go through toll, but it's okay. I'll just have to pay the money. I hate owing money.
It's not a big deal, babe. We work together.
Yeah.
I love seeing the buildings. Yeah, it's just really amazing.
Beautiful buildings, actually.
Yeah. eBay straight ahead.
What up?
Where are we, babe?
At the moment, we are in Newtown.
Yeah.
Newtown is a place of, like, a little bit like Lismore, the Rainbow region.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, but they've got lots of restaurants and lots of different people you'll meet here. What's wrong, Island?
My shoes.
What's wrong with your shoes?
My shoes.
I like the whole kind of building. It's like European style. What do you say?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. If you look at the architecture,
Yeah.
it's beautiful. Like clothing stores, crazy clothing stores here.
Yeah. As I was saying to baby earlier, it looked like a nice street to walk and vlog. Good walking street.
I have like
Oh
I
yeah.
have a dream. Who's that? Marcus Garvey?
Yeah.
Is that not Marcus Garvey?
I think that's Martin Luther King.
Oh, is it?
Oh, God.
Oopsie, got it wrong.
And then the Aboriginal flag underneath.
Yeah. Remember we came here, the African store, and you asked to get your hair done?
Yeah, it's an African guy here too. Right
She
here.
looks like she's not busy. I like that post there. It says it's like a jungle sometimes. Oh, Baba.
Right here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got an African guy
Do you
here.
want to go?
Yeah, oh,
Alright.
parking.
Yeah, hang on. I'll do.
So baby's saying this thing right here is a mobile camera to check if you're on your phone.
Yeah.
And right away it picked up and you get a fine, eh?
Get it fine. And they usually do reggae concerts here. Enmore Theatre. That's where all the reggae kind of stuff happens.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how do you mate?
Yeah, this is where I performed recently in Sydney, guys. Well, last year?
Last year in
Yeah,
December.
last year.
Oh, they must be doing something. Look, African guys there. go there and play music.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, it says mixtapes.
Yeah,
I'm guessing
yeah.
maybe just randoms go there and play music. I
Yeah.
don't know.
We are here.
I'm going there.
The Latin Festival.
Daddy, come
It's like a stadium over there.
Mm.
I'm going
Yeah,
there.
light. So it's family friendly, guys.
I'm going to I'm ready to the
That car is so close right now. Look, I get about 8.
That's the car we drove in Cairns.
Yeah, it was broad.
It was big.
Oh my god, barely escape, you know? Like barely escape.
Ooh.
Look how close that was.
For real.
So update, couldn't find parking there. So oops, bloody hell, it's a one way.
Not doesn't say one way.
Car was speeding down like
He's a Latin prick.
shit.
Don't want to be. Hi guys, we are finally here.
Finally we get to parking.
Yeah, finally get a parking.
Yeah, so
So here we are, the Latin Festival.
Let's go see
Let's go see
what
what's
it's all about.